Alright, so the one thing about a storm out here is that there's about 50 miles of wind, and the snow is not very soft or wet. It's very... And Brent is checking his Evo flashlight in my face.
Okay.
So we're going to do that again.
Here we go. Go two.
Hi.
Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. It's snowing. Look at Ben. Look at this snowing. I got my new slippers on. My mom sent me in the mail a couple days ago.
He's got like, he's plastered with snow.
What's going on?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, we did it. We see a thumbs up.
Huh?
Thumbs up. There we go. Okay. Okay, let's go home.